Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are good, healthy. We are welcome to the maths class. We are in chapter measurement. Okay. In previous class, I explained about the length, meter, centimeter, and after that, I explained to you measurement of weight or mass. For the length we are using meter and centimeter, and for the weight we are using gram and kilogram. 100 यानी 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter or 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Measurement of mass of या weight, 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram or 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Which one length is small, like our water bottle, pouch, eraser, pencil, thumb? This is the small object, so we are using ruler and we are saying it is coming in under the centimeter. Big, like board, length of board, length of wall, length of your door, it is coming meter. Okay. Lightweight yani it is coming in the gram, like your juice, 1 real, halala real, it is coming in gram. Okay. If you are measuring but it is liquid, so it is coming liter or milliliter. You know, weight, like gold, if you go to gold shop, it is coming in gram. It is almost the people going and asking about the grams, 10 gram, 20 gram, 50 gram, 60 gram. They are not asking about the kilo, especially gold. For the sugar and biscuit packet, it is coming in gram. Biscuit, chocolate, wafer and toffee, it is all coming in gram. One piece apple, one apple, it is coming in gram. And date is coming also gram, 2 or 3 dates. If it is like 10, it is little bit coming more gram. Or the dates also coming in kg or grams. Okay. Now come to the third, gram. After that, kilogram, it is coming our luggage, cycle, car, and 10 kilo sugar. This is coming kilogram. Okay. More than 1000, it is coming kilogram. Less than 1000, it is coming gram. More than 100 centimeter, it is coming meter. Less than 100 centimeter, less than 100, it is coming for length centimeter. Now come to the measure of capacity. We have water bottle for liquid items, especially like milk, petrol, kerosene oil, of which one we are using for hair, that oil. Small shishi is coming milliliter and big kgs is coming liter. So same thing, 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter or 1 liter is equal to 1000 liter. Which one is small, like a spoon, cup? It is coming in the milliliter. You go to Bakhala, take any juice, small juice packet, it is written 250 ml, yeah, 50 ml. Even your check your medicines like cough syrup, or for the small under 3 years kids serve, the parents will measure with syringe or spoon, and measurement cap is given also. Because of liquid 2 ml 3 ml we have to give to the small children. Okay, so like that it is coming ml, milliliter. Okay, for the liters, petrol, cooking oil, milk. So let's see about measure of capacity. Rahim take his medicine with a spoon. He bath using a bucket of water. When we need to measure liquid quantities, we use milliliter and liter. We will study about milliliter. So milliliter ml is used to measure small quantities of liquid like spoon, this drops of waters, and cup. It is coming under the milliliter. Here check the for example of liter. We use liter, symbol is L, to measure larger quantities of liquid like 4 glasses together point, it is coming 1 liter. This is 1 liter milk packet, and bucket is more than 15 liter. Here is the practical, try to do project work. See, color the object that had hold more than liter in blue and those that hold less. See, more is blue, means it is coming more liter. Bucket more than 15 liter, and that aquarium also coming the more than 1 liter. But this is bowl only milliliter, glass also milliliter, spoon also milliliter, and medicine bottle also milliliter, coming in the milliliter. See, some examples are there. Are these quantities small or large? Decide whether you would measure these quantities in milliliter or liter. Milk in a baby feeding bottle, milliliter. Medicine in an injection, yes, milliliter. Water in a large can, liter, large can. See, baby and syringe, it is coming milliliter, but the large can of it is coming this large can, liter. A tube of paint, here it is coming milliliter. A bottle of ink, this also coming in milliliter. Water in small vase, milliliter. Tub full of water, this also liter. And last, drum of oil, this large can, this is drum of oil, liter. Okay, dear all. See here, mix exercise. Remember, for length we are using meter or centimeter. For mass or weight we are using gram and kilogram. For capacity, milliliter and liter. So just guess what is. For example, this balloon, the weight of a balloon, because inside gas, the weight of balloon or only weight of balloon, it is coming in gram. Length of pipe, meter. Length of belt, meter. Milli, length of means centimeter. For the babies, small babies, this is coming centimeter, but the almost it's coming centimeter. Less, very less. Who is too much fat person, that is rare, it is coming in meter. Otherwise belt is coming centimeter. The baby weight, when the baby is born, new baby also coming in the kg, not gram. The weight of envelope, it's a paper actual, made up of paper, so it is not more weight, less weight only. So grams. The height of building is so high, long, height, too much height, malas, so it is coming meter. Amount of water in a swimming pool, liter. Quantity of milk in cup, milliliter. The height of a fish tank, height, centimeter. Thank you so much, and please try to check your, whenever you go Bakhala, check the chocolate what it's written gram. Check in milk or choose small box, it's coming liter. Big one liter and small one milliliter. Big chocolates, big chocolates, or you know, curd, curd also coming kg. You go and check in Panda, you can see the easy wafers also is coming grams. Okay, so this practical try to do at home or in Bakhala. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Bye.